Minsan yung mga tinatanong ng professor, yun yung mismong lumalabas sa exam. Welcome to another law school survival tips episode. So our topic is listen to your classmates. Okay, listening to your classmates. Recitation is not your solo performance. Okay, it's training camp. Listen when your classmates recite. Hindi para mangusga because the professor's correction, that's gold. Okay, minsan yung mga tinatanong ng professor, yun yung mismong lumalabas sa exam. Madalas yung exam question galing mismo sa dialogue. Okay, the student answer, the professor destroys it. Okay, the professor corrects it. Boom. Ano na, yun na, exam topic na yun. So kung absent ang utak mo habang yung ibang tao ang tinatawag, you're wasting half the class. Do not treat recit like, okay, relax ako ngayon, di ako tinatawag, someone else is reciting, so relax, I'm gonna chill. No. Kasi sa law school, every recit question is a preview of what can be asked in the exam. So if you listen, you learn without bleeding. If you don't, you learn during the exam. And that's the painful version. So mas magandang matuto during the recit kesa matuto during the exam.